How to get rid of mold and mildew on walls and bathroom tiles permanently. Here are non-toxic ways to remove mold and mildew from your home. Use a dehumidifier. If you have a dehumidifier at home, you may put it to work to eliminate the fungal infestation. Since mold needs moisture and warmth to grow, a dehumidifier effectively kills them. It reduces the humidity level in your rooms and causes a drying effect which is not suitable for the mold's growth. Fix leaks. No remedy for getting rid of molds is going to work in a foolproof way unless you identify and fix the source of moisture. Besides, the other home remedies to get rid of the mold infestation would be temporary if the source of moisture is not eradicated. Thus, finding the source of moisture and repairing any leaks would help in the long-term relief of molds and mildew around your home. Baking soda spray. Baking soda acts as a disinfectant and fights fungal infestation in an effective way. It keeps the area dry by absorbing excess moisture while killing the fungus. Add baking soda in lukewarm water and mix well. Transfer it into a spray bottle. Use this solution to spray on the infestation and scrub away the entire area to get rid of the molds. Spray alcohol. Alcoholic beverages, such as vodka, work well in eradicating mold and mildew from your home. Just fill up a spray bottle with it and spritz over the affected area. The fungus will not be able to stand its disinfecting and antiseptic properties and will die. Now wipe off the surface with a clean sponge. Apply the solution again if any mold is left behind. Good ventilation. Molds grow rapidly in places where air circulation is minimal and there is an absence of sunlight entering the rooms. Ensure proper ventilation in rooms affected by mold and mildew. Open up door and windows to help circulate fresh air. This will also allow sunlight into your rooms and reduce infestation naturally. Switch on the ceiling fans to dry out the dampness. An indoor air filter will help in catching the spores and reduce any health risks. Ethanol Solution. Molds present on bathroom floor and tiles can be easily eliminated using distilled ethanol. It is readily available in local stores and is usually sprayed directly on the affected area. Ethanol cleans off the affected area, helping you get rid of molds and the serious health risks associated with them. Spray it in the areas prone to the infestation to prevent them completely. Chlorine Bleach. This inexpensive mold removal remedy works in an amazing way to help you effectively eliminate mold and mildew from your home. Sprinkle the chlorine bleach liberally on the affected surfaces and let it sit on the surfaces for some time. Now wipe off the place with a sponge dipped in soapy water to clean all the bleach along with the mold. Use vinegar. There is probably no pantry that does not have vinegar. Among its many uses, it can be an excellent mold-removing agent. Just put some pure and undiluted vinegar in a spray bottle and spritz it on the affected surfaces. Let the vinegar stay on the wall for about an hour and use a soft cloth to wipe off the molds as well as stains caused by the mold or mildew. Use hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide has powerful antimicrobial properties that make it a great mold-removing agent. The non-toxic chemical is readily available and can be used on large areas affected by molds. Start by adding a teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide in a cup of water and mix well. Spray this solution on the affected area until the mold gets saturated. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes and scrub the area to clean it. Exhaust fan. Exhaust fans are a great way to eliminate moisture from any room, especially for rooms that are prone to have damp walls and ceilings such as bathrooms and kitchens. Furthermore, since most places, in the home, are the perfect breeding ground for mold and mildew, it is important to keep your home dry. These fans will circulate air in the room, quickly drying out the moist places and stopping mildew growth. Tea tree essential oil. Tea tree oil is a powerful antifungal agent that removes and prevents mold infestation from your house. Mix 100 milliliters of tea tree oil with vinegar and water. Put it in a spray bottle and apply it to the mold and mildew affected area. Use a soft scrubber to remove the molds from walls and tiles. Tea tree oil will not only remove molds but also the bad smell associated with them. Grapefruit Extract. If you are looking for a long-term relief from the mold and mildews in your home, try the grapefruit remedy. Although it is a bit expensive way to eliminate the infestation, it is effective in stopping their growth. The antifungal properties of grapefruit work in an excellent way to kill mold and mildew effectively. Just apply it to the surfaces affected with molds. Have you tried any of the remedies mentioned in this video before? Please drop your opinions in the comment box below. Don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button below for more research-based home remedies, natural health and motivational tips. Remember to click the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos. Follow us on Facebook at Natural Herb Cures and Twitter at Natural Herb Cure and our official website at naturalhealingguides.com.